to your left, folks, just beside the one with the where the pub is, just to your left there, about 7 o'clock from the bus there, if you're looking over on the other side. It had that kind of odd-shaped side to it, beside the immigration offices there. Well, you've heard of Captain William Bligh, folks. I'm sure you've had William Bligh. Yeah, Captain of the Bounty. Remember me again, the Bounty? Okay. Well, he did some work on mapping Dublin Bay, and that's the building he stayed in. The port of Dublin, folks, used to silt up pretty badly with the old river here, and large vessels couldn't come into the port. What used to happen was they would anchor out in Dublin Bay, and you'd be brought out mainly from Ringsend in smaller vessels out to the larger vessels. And they built a south wall. They built it in timber first, and of course with the wave movement and the seawater it rotted away. They replaced that then with a granite wall, and they put a lighthouse on the end of it. And they took the granite from a place called Dalkey, which is out on the south side. They brought it in by vessels. They just dropped it in the faces. It's a very uneven wall as you're going out. Hold on a second. Yeah, go ahead there, Brendan. Oh, I'm after coming over the Rosie Hackett Bridge. I'm coming up to O'Connell Bridge now. And what happened was, folks, they got in William Bligh to have a look at the situation for them, right? And his watching this fellow beside us here. His solution to the problem of the silting up of Dublin Bay was to build the North Bull Wall. And when he built it, he said that the river would scour itself out, and that's exactly what happened. So they had a south wall, which they built earlier on, and then he recommended the North Bull Wall, and that was built out into Dublin Bay, and then the river scoured itself out. And the silt that was taken out in the scouring of the river ended up on the north coast of Dublin at a place called Bull Island. If you look at a map of Dublin, you'll see Bull Island up on the north coast, heading up towards the north of the island. And basically speaking, folks, it's now a kind of it's like a bird sanctuary now and that kind of stuff. And nature is there. Now it's open to the public. You can drive out to it. You can walk on the beach and all that kind of stuff. But the Bull Wall came about because of the scouring out of the mouth of the river. Now, we're coming on to O'Connell Bridge.